I've heard this only once, but when I heard it, I said, I'm going to ask you about this one. You're here. Some conservative talk show over the last month said Justice Breyer wants, I got to be careful because I don't remember the quote, but the essence of it was that you are in favor of incorporating Sharia law.
I don't know where that one came from.
Well, I know there's a speech, I looked it up, by Newt Gingrich, but the Sharia law into...
I ever said anything about Sharia law?
Well, I was going to ask you. I mean,
I can't remember I was ever saying anything. I think there was some issue on this in England. Maybe they're mixing it up with England. My wife is English.
But is that, I mean, is there any reason for the public in this country?
I can't imagine what it would be. I mean, I don't know exactly what the issue in England was.
But in this country...
I haven't. We have a separation of church and state.
So
I mean, I don't know what the context is they're talking about, so I'm always hesitant, you know. Maybe sometime I was making one of my 5 million qualifications. If somebody comes to me with an issue and I don't know quite what the issue is, I usually use words like normally, you know, because sometimes an issue can come up, but I don't know what the basis would be for that one. And I don't know I have no idea what he's saying because I didn't hear it. But I don't know where it came from. I don't think.
Well, the idea is that there are a lot of people in this country that would gladly put, you know, incorporate Sharia law into the American legal system. And when that stuff is said, you know, there's nobody there to rebut it, so you don't know. That's why I wanted you to.
I have not heard of that. I don't know how it would work or how it would happen. It doesn't seem to me like a... Yeah, I mean, why am I not being like absolute categorical? Because I took a case called conflicts of law, you know, and in conflicts of law they have a picture, and the picture is the picture of the post office in Tobago, and it says, can the island of Tobago make a law that governs the whole world? And the answer in the conflicts course was, well, sure, two people can get together and write a contract and say, I want this contract to be governed by the law of Tobago. You know, it's a trick question. So I don't know if there isn't some trick question. I have no idea. I don't know what I'm getting into. But I can say I've never said Sharia law should be incorporated. I don't know how it ever would be. I don't know what the issue would be. And it was an issue in England, wasn't an issue here. So I don't know where that's coming from.